girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Hi. No! Oh my god! Весь мене летіло як паук.
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh!
Снова, бля.
Max, I knew you. Don't do that. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Hey, we're friends, huh? Now get the hell up out of here.
No, Sasha! Sasha!
Fue a esto.
And we're going to test to see if we would survive.
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat!
He's in great condition.
Oh, baby, come on.
Oh my God! What?
Go, let go.
What are you two doing?
What are you doing?
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
Don't. Oh my God.
my god.
It's really
Where are my Cheetos? What are you doing?
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
No, my boy! Father, help!
Yay, bro.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
Oh, those are my Cheetos.
I love you.
Why are y'all just chilling like that?
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Under arrest.
Excuse me? George! George!
What a tease.
Space. I get that you
Sweet baby, what'd you bring me? You found a hot dog.
Он вообще
No, no va a saltar.
Don't do that. Ow.
Chapa chapa dubi dubi daba daba chi.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass?
Why do you want to go on the ice cream shopping?
Where is
Oh no.
Better run. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
And we're going to test to see if we would survive.
Kiedy takie buongiorno? Buongiorno.
You going on a ride? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean.